Meaning of fascinated.
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 Fascinated. Fascinated is an adjective that describes a strong feeling of interest or attraction towards something. When someone is fascinated by something, they are completely engrossed in it and want to learn more about it. This feeling can be positive or negative, depending on what is being focused on. People can be fascinated by many different things, such as art, science, history, music, or even other people. It is a powerful emotion that can lead to further exploration and discovery, and can inspire creativity and innovation. Overall, being fascinated can be a deeply satisfying and enriching experience.